Here at Kellogg, we source only the best quality raw grits for our famous cornflakes. In this training video, we're going to focus on some of the technical procedures and secrets to making the world's best cornflakes. The corn system has 4 major processes. In this video, we'll focus on the third process, the flaking mills. The flaking operation is very important as it determines the texture, density, and ultimately the weight of the finished food. Before commencing a mill roll knife change, ensure you have all of your tools laid out neatly on the work tray. You'll need a shifter, a torch, gloves, screwdrivers, and a scraper to remove food remnants from the roll. Make sure that the mill roll drive motor has been locked out with your personal red lock at the isolator and tagged with a white danger tag that states the reason for placing the tag, your name, department, signature, and date. The flaking mills roll the corn grits into flakes that are fed between 2 rotating rolls. It's important that the gaps in the rolls are adjusted to ensure uniform density of the flakes. The rolls run at different speeds and at different temperatures to ensure the flakes stick uniformly to the front roll and don't stick to the back roll. To ensure this, the flaking mills use special knives that shave the flakes off the rolls. The knives play a vital role in the ultimate quality of the food. They also clean the rolls of any food particles. It is essential to take the utmost care when setting or replacing them. You need to constantly ensure they are sharp and in good working condition. The knife's angle is important. Correct placement effectively removes the flakes off the roll, preventing uneven milling of the grits. The first step is to install the knife on the board, beveled side down. Make sure the knife is placed evenly so that the pressure between the knife and the roll will be even across the whole width. Replace the knife cap and secure it with the cap bolts, and ensure the warping screws are free of any dirt. Only finger tighten them. The next step is to start the mill. When food starts coming through, use the hand wheels to bring the knife to the roll's surface. This is the critical part. You must get the knife tension just right. Knife tension. The pressure the knives exert on the roll's surface needs to be perfect. The pressure needs to be enough to shave the roll, but not scrape it. Not enough pressure will not shave the roll and fail to remove the flakes. Too much knife pressure will cause hot spots on the roll, as well as causing the knives to dull prematurely. A handy tip is to use a torch to ensure there are no gaps between the knife edge and the roll. Light shining through in between parts of the knife edge and roll surface indicates gaps. If there's a gap, use the warping screws to adjust the angle of the knife until the gaps close. This is the correct angle. If you notice the knives need to be adjusted, you can change the pressure by adjusting the warping screws. You should make adjustments only if it's absolutely necessary to stop food from sticking to the rolls or lumps developing. Following these procedures will ensure perfectly consistent flakes of corn. The toasting ovens blow hot air onto the flakes as they are conveyed through the toasting reel. Bleed fans remove excess air and dust particles and control the moisture levels within the oven. The speed of the reel, the correct amount of hot air, and the correct bleeding all play a vital role to provide a top quality finished product. Here at Kellogg, we only produce the highest quality food. Regular checks on the quality of the toasted flakes is paramount. In summary, The flaking mills play a vital role in producing our world-famous Kellogg's cornflakes. It's important to take the time to set up properly and to learn the optimum knife tension and the correct knife angle. If you're unsure about any of these procedures, please talk to your shift supervisor. This way, we can assure Kellogg produces only the finest quality cornflakes.